Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If it is highlighted and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar. And on the second position from the left, we've got the resolution. Let's tap on it. And as you can see in this device, we've got three different options. So HD, FHD, which is currently applied, and 2K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 2K. And as you can see, it is immediately changed, highlighted. It is shown here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.